This video is created for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. All financial actions are your personal responsibility. Before starting, make sure you understand the risks and are prepared for them. Hi, I'm Nathan and I'm glad you're here. For over 8 years, I've dedicated myself to analytics and finding ways to use technology for making thoughtful decisions at the right time. Several years ago, my team and I completed a major project, a tool we spent 9 months developing. This isn't about magic or guesswork. It is about a clear system that helps organize information, structure your thinking, and see how events logically unfold. In this video, you will see the tool working in real time. No complex jargon or unnecessary theory, just clear demonstrations and practical steps. This format is especially valuable if you're new to this topic and want to see immediate practical applications. If you're curious about how it works in practice, stay with me. I'm confident this walkthrough will give you fresh ideas and valuable insights. Before we continue, ask yourself, how many opportunities have you postponed when you could have taken that first step toward change long ago? Sometimes, all it takes is a small but timely start. While some keep hesitating, others are already using new technologies that help process information deliberately and notice what previously went unseen. One such tool is the intelligence system my team and I spent nearly a year developing. It doesn't make predictions, it creates structure, highlighting what's important, cutting through the noise, and helping you focus on decision-making at a steady pace. If you want to see how it works in practice, check the link in the description or the first pinned comment. Access is open now. Next, I will show you how I apply this approach in my own work. Now, let's get practical. Everything's ready, let's get started. The assistant has already selected the asset we'll be working with. Choosing the setup now. Great! Today, we're going without any extra tools. The AI system will handle all the analysis. Let's see how it performs. Alright, if everything's ready, let's not waste any time. Here we go. Right now, my AI bot recommends going short. Alright, let's go with that. On the chart, we can see price approaching a key level, a round number that often acts as a turning point. We're also seeing the upward momentum start to slow, which could mean we're due for a pullback. Let's continue. The assistant is already analyzing the next opportunity. Signal to go long. Alright, let's take a look. The chart has tested this level several times. Now price has broken through and is holding above it. In cases like this, there is often continuation in the same direction. Let's see how it plays out. Looks good, let's keep going. Let's see what the bot says for this pair. Long again. Okay. After a dip, the price reached an area where we've seen previous activity. It didn't go lower, and now we're seeing the signs of a reversal. Momentum is returning, and this seems like a good point to join the upward move. Alright friends, let's move on. Starting something new is never easy, especially when you are overwhelmed with information and unsure where to begin. That's exactly why we created an intelligent assistant to help beginners progress step by step with clear structure and logic instead of random guesses. This tool helps you quickly identify what matters, filter out distractions, and understand how analysis works in practice. By joining our community, you will be able to watch live demonstrations, get explanations for every step along the way, access support focused on practical value, not unnecessary theory. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Go ahead and see for yourself. Now, let's keep moving forward. The AI bot is giving another signal to go long. Let's do it. As I mentioned earlier, there was a small pause near this level and now we're seeing price push higher. We may get another breakout attempt soon, as there is still some distance to the resistance. Let's stay alert and observe. Nice. Let's see what's next. Now the bot suggests to go short. Got it. Let's take a look. After price moved above a certain boundary, the upward move didn't continue. We're seeing a slowdown phase that might mean the bullish interest is fading. A return to the previous range is possible. We'll keep eye on it. Alright, stay focused. The bot is still running its analysis. Okay, now the AI bot is calling for a long move. We're seeing a strong upward push. Makes sense to join in. I think this setup looks promising. Excellent! My assistant helped spot the shift and gave us a solid direction. Once again, the assistant signals along. After a brief pause near a significant area, price broke through to the upside. Despite the hesitation, the direction held. It looks like this zone truly played its part and we can likely expect the move to continue. Today has been a great example of how modern technology can assist with market analysis. My AI assistants once again proved its value. Friends, don't be afraid to explore new tools. They can make your work easier and help you see things from a completely new perspective. Everything unfolded exactly as I expected. Picture two paths. Remaining a passive observer, taking that first step, and engaging. The difference between right there. More companies than ever are using technology to organize data and make more deliberate decisions. And now you have access to the same kind of tool. By joining, you will discover how analysis can be calm and structured. You will see what details professionals focus on in real time, observe the tool in action, and become part of a community where you can ask questions and discuss approaches together with all the participants. Trying it out is already a progress. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Check it out, see how it works, and decide if this approach resonates with you. Thanks for being here today. See you in the community soon.